What if I told you that the secret to better health, disease prevention, and even a longer life is already inside you? It doesn't require expensive supplements or treatments. Your body has the power to heal, rejuvenate, and protect itself. All you need to do is activate it. How? By unlocking the power of a process called autophagy. In 2016, a groundbreaking discovery won the Nobel Prize in Medicine that has since shifted the way we think about aging, disease, and health itself. Autophagy is the body's built-in mechanism for cleansing and rejuvenating itself, and recent research suggests it might be the key to slowing down aging, protecting against diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, and even helping you lose weight. This process is not some far-off science fiction concept. It's a real, natural process that occurs inside your cells every day. But here's the best part: you can trigger this powerful process yourself, simply by adjusting the way you eat. That's right, by practicing fasting, you can tap into autophagy and experience its numerous benefits. Stay with me until the end, and I'll break down exactly how this works and share the best fasting methods to trigger autophagy and optimize your health. You won't want to miss this. Before we dive deeper, I want you to take a moment and type in the comments below: "I'm ready to activate my body's healing power." Doing so is a simple but powerful way to mentally commit to making positive changes for your health. Let's begin. In 2016, Dr. Yoshinori Osumi was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for his revolutionary research into autophagy, a process that allows cells to clean themselves by breaking down and recycling their own damaged components. This research was nothing short of a revelation. Before Osumi's work, we understood that cells regenerate, but Osumi uncovered the vital connection between this process and our overall health. But autophagy wasn't a concept that Osumi introduced to science. Belgian scientist Christian de Duve had already laid the foundation for understanding the recycling mechanism inside our cells in the 1970s when he discovered lysosomes, small structures within cells that function like waste disposal units. These lysosomes contain enzymes that break down and recycle cell components, helping the cells clear out waste. However, it was Osumi's research that clarified the importance of autophagy. He showed us that the process of self-recycling in cells is not only crucial for surviving, but also essential for maintaining overall health, preventing diseases, and even slowing the aging process. So, what exactly is autophagy? Let me explain it in simple terms. Autophagy is like a self-cleaning process that occurs inside your cells. When your cells don't get enough nutrients from food, they turn inward and start breaking down their damaged or old parts to create energy and new building blocks. This process allows the cells to stay healthy, regenerate, and get rid of harmful components that could lead to disease. Think of it like an internal recycling system, where the waste produced by old or damaged cells is broken down, used to create new and healthier components, and ultimately cleaned up. This keeps your body functioning at its best. Now, here's the really interesting part. When you don't eat, or when you eat fewer calories than normal, your cells start this self-cleaning process even more actively. This is because your body enters a state of mild stress when it's low on energy, triggering the need for your cells to clear out toxins, bacteria, and damaged proteins. But this doesn't mean you have to starve yourself. The trick is to give your body short breaks from eating so it can activate autophagy and use that time to detox and rejuvenate. So, why is autophagy so important? The reason scientists are so excited about it is because of the wide range of health benefits it offers. Let's take a closer look at how autophagy can dramatically improve your health and even help slow down the aging process. Fights toxins and inflammation. When your cells go through autophagy, they remove damaged proteins, bacteria, viruses, and other harmful waste. This helps to reduce inflammation and lowers the risk of developing diseases like arthritis, heart disease, and even some cancers. By keeping your cells clean, your body can function much more efficiently. Increases lifespan. Studies conducted on animals have shown that when autophagy is activated, it can significantly increase their lifespan. While the evidence in humans is still being studied, the idea is promising autophagy helps repair and protect cells, which means a slower aging process. Protects the brain. Damaged proteins in the brain are one of the main contributors to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Autophagy helps clear away these damaged proteins, potentially protecting the brain and reducing the risk of developing these life-altering conditions. Supports weight loss. Fasting triggers autophagy, and studies suggest that short periods of fasting can improve insulin sensitivity, boost fat burning, and help regulate body weight. Autophagy's cleansing action also helps to burn fat by breaking down and recycling old proteins, promoting a leaner body. Regulates cholesterol. Research has shown that intermittent fasting, a popular method to trigger autophagy, can help manage cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. By activating autophagy, the body can break down old cholesterol, improve heart health, and reduce inflammation. Autophagy is not a quick fix. It works best as part of a holistic approach to health. To get the full benefits, it's important to combine it with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep. It's about creating a lifestyle that supports your body's natural healing process. Now, you might be wondering, how can you trigger autophagy in your own body? The answer is through fasting. Fasting is the most effective way to activate this self-recycling process. You don't have to stop eating completely, but by giving your body regular breaks from food, you can trigger autophagy and allow your cells to do the work they're designed to do. Here are some of the most popular fasting methods to try. Intermittent fasting. This method is one of the easiest ways to start incorporating fasting into your routine. The 16-to-8 method involves fasting for 16 hours and eating all your meals within an 8-hour window. For example, you might eat between noon and 8 p.m. and fast the rest of the time. This method is ideal for beginners and can lead to noticeable benefits in just a few weeks. 24-hour fast. Another popular method is the 24-hour fast, where you fast for an entire day. For example, if you eat at 8 p.m. on Monday, you would wait until 8 p.m. on Tuesday for your next meal. This longer fast can trigger a more profound autophagy response, helping to clear out more cellular waste and toxins. Alternate day fasting. This method alternates between eating normally on one day and restricting calories, around 500 to 600 the next. It's an effective way to boost your metabolism and encourage autophagy while still providing your body with the nutrition it needs. Skipping a meal. If you're new to fasting, you can start by skipping just one meal a day. It's an easy and less overwhelming way to introduce your body to fasting without shocking it. Over time, you can gradually extend your fasting periods. Water fasting. Some people prefer water fasting, where they drink only water or herbal teas for an entire day or during specific periods. This can be an intense form of fasting, so it's essential to stay hydrated and listen to your body. While there's strong evidence to support the benefits of fasting and autophagy, it's important to approach fasting safely. Many health experts agree that fasting, when done responsibly, can help with weight loss, reduce inflammation, and improve overall health. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution, and it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before making any drastic changes to your eating habits, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Some important things to keep in mind. While autophagy can have significant health benefits, it's not a miracle cure. It works best when paired with a healthy diet and active lifestyle. If you're new to fasting, it's essential to ease into it gradually. Don't try to fast for 24 hours right away. Start by shortening your eating window or skipping one meal and see how your body responds. Just because you're fasting doesn't mean you should neglect nutrition. During your eating window, be sure to eat nutrient-rich foods to fuel your body properly. Fasting isn't for everyone. If you experience dizziness, weakness, or other health concerns, stop fasting and consult with a doctor. Autophagy is one of the most exciting discoveries in modern medicine. It's your body's natural detox system, working to keep your cells fresh, healthy, and able to fight disease. The best part is that you can activate this process yourself through fasting. Whether you choose intermittent fasting, water fasting, or alternate day fasting, you're giving your body the opportunity to reset and rejuvenate. Over time, you'll notice improvements in your energy, focus, weight, and overall health. So, are you ready to take charge of your health? Are you ready to activate your body's healing power? If you've tried fasting or are planning to start, I'd love to hear about your experience. Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and insights into living your best, healthiest life.